Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door glass bracket on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a T20 Torx bit and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up the door here. And we need to remove our dryer door. So in order to do that, we need to remove the two Phillips head screws right in here on the hinge. So now what we're going to do is just slightly lift up on the door and just wiggle it a little bit. It might be a little difficult to get the door hinge out, but you should be able to get it out. This piece right here, which fits nicely into that hole. So now we need to take the door apart, and to get it apart, we're going to take out the 5 screws around the perimeter. Now that we've got the screws out, we can separate the two door halves. So now that we have the two halves apart, you'll see we have this big piece of plastic right here. And to get that off, we're also going to need to remove these screws here. And you'll see that once you've got the screws out, that plastic piece just drops right out. So now we're going to carefully lift up and hold the glass there in place so it doesn't fall out. So right here is our door glass, and in order to get the glass out, we're going to have to take off the brackets that hold it in place. So now I'm going to be using a VT20 Torx bit, and I'm going to be loosening up these screws right here on each side. So now I'll take out the old bracket here. And now you can grab your new OEM replacement door glass bracket. And if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. We're going to put this bracket on there. So we're going to get our screw and get it started from the other side. Not going to flip it over just yet. We'll give that a couple turns. And now our glass should stay in place. So now we'll tighten up the screws here, and those will bring the glass back up and secure it. And now we'll turn this back over, and we're going to line up this piece right here with the screw hole there, and put the two halves together. And then from this side, we're just going to hold one side up and get a screw started in that side. So now we're going to do the same thing on this side and push up on the inner ring from the other side, and we're going to get our screw started. And once it's started a little bit, secure it the rest of the way. Now we can put the two halves of the door back together. So we're just going to line up screw holes. Okay. And once you've got everything lined up, you can screw it back together. Now that we've got the door put back together, we'll put the hinge back onto the frame here. And you're just going to line up that square peg with the square slot, drop it in, and then you're going to line up the screw hole and screw it back in. And once you've got that screwed back into place, you can close your door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.